Managers with Blockchain
Hello,
Beach.
everybody. Let's go.
Introducing my main man here from Chromio.
Yeah, Ginés Sanchez. Hey
Hello,
everyone.
hello.
Hey everyone.
Excellent.
Hope you are having fun here.
Yes, and myself, Austin Davis with Blockchain Beach as well, and CoinState app coming soon with Justin Wu and Matt. We're gonna blow your minds with that, so stay tuned. What's up, LDA? LDA
Hey,
in
quick
the house.
question. If you can hear me, can you snap once? If you can hear me, snap twice? All right, that's good enough.
All
so
right.
we got some people that can hear us today. How many people in the audience have a cryptocurrency wallet or have some cryptocurrency? All right, we got a couple loyal fans in the house. Fantastic. So we've got some familiar faces here, but we've also got some new people. So why don't we start by describing a little bit what Chromia is as a technology layer, and then a little bit, or actually maybe start with simplifying it for the audience, and then we'll get into technology.
All right. Well, first of all, my name is Ginés Sanchez. I'm from Chromia. Chromaway, therefore, because Chromia is the child of Chromaway, right? And we are the relational blockchain platform. And I don't know if you know what the relational blockchain is, but I will explain you. Relational blockchain is the combination of a relational database with blockchain. So we have like the best of both worlds, you know? Relational databases are with us like from the last 30, 40 years. So thousands of people already know this technology. It's a proven technology that is working in most of the companies nowadays. So we are adding the blockchain part, the decentralization and security part to this amazing technology.
So I've got a question. Let's say I am a chain layer protocol, and I'm an organization that wants to take advantage of a relational database. I've got nodes running a number of places, and then maybe I've got some simple data coming in and off the chain and some state changes. How do I interact with the relational database?
Well, you just need to set up at least 4 nodes, because we have like a PBFT consensus mechanism.
So at least 4 nodes.
At least 4 nodes minimum,
Okay.
right? But if you want more security, you will have more nodes, right? It will depend on the decentralized application you want to have. If it's a game, maybe 4, 5, 10 nodes is enough. If it's like, I don't know, a banking application, you will have maybe, I don't know, 50, 100 nodes, all right? And it's so easy. We use PostgreSQL, which is known by a lot of developers, not just blockchain developers. So that's our main target, not only blockchain developers, but the general
Mainstream language.
mainstream developers.
So storage becomes far less of an issue.
Yeah, exactly.
And interoperability between blockchains, I suppose, is another benefit.
We'll have this sharding, so blockchains will be able to talk between them among the platform, among Chromia. So, yeah.
And
We are solving this issue also.
Is it live right now?
We launched the testnet yesterday or the day before yesterday.
Okay, so you just launched the testnet.
You could go to chromia.com and check it out.
Okay, so developers can jump on the testnet,
Exactly. Yeah.
set up a few nodes.
I think we are not ready to set up nodes, but you are ready to start playing with the main thing.
Okay.
So we have also created a new language which is called RHEL. It's based on SQL, so all the developers that already know and how to work with SQL will be proficient and will master this new language in a matter of days or week. 1 week, I would say, according to our tech team. So,
Can you give?
The team. Yeah, let's talk about the team. Who's on the team? What are their special human powers, superhuman powers?
well, as I told you before, guys, Chromia is the child of Chromaway, and Chromaway got funded on back in 2014.
Right.
Right after the end of the Color Coin project. So our CTO, Alex Mizrahi, was working on that project along with really clever people like Vitalik and I don't know, all the others, right? And they decided to, okay, we want to commercialize this blockchain technology. So the company started, and since then we have been doing projects with both with private companies and public companies. So we have been working with governments also, and now we decide to launch the public platform.
I got a question about some of the partnerships. So you say the launch success, and now you have public partnerships and some private partnerships. Without sharing any confidential information, can you tell us a little bit about how people are using the system?
I didn't say partnership. I think I mean
Okay.
clients.
Clients, right.
We have been doing projects.
That's
with,
right.
For example, with the Swedish Land Registry, the Swedish government,
Okay.
and also with private entities, with, I don't know, Daimler, for example, Mercedes Group,
Right on.
which are really big, you know.
Any car fans in the house? Okay, Mercedes or BMW? Mercedes or BMW?
Mercedes?
BMW over here. All right, Mercedes. This girl's loyal, Mercedes. BMW. All right, we got a Tesla.
We got a
fan.
Tesla. Matt loves Tesla.
I got to talk to Elon Musk tomorrow.
Yeah, we love Tesla.
Rocket ship.
Let's
Any,
leave it
who,
at that.
favorite rocket ships? Favorite rocket companies out here? also SpaceX, Tesla.
Yeah, tomorrow I have to talk to Elon Musk.
Shuttle.
He's coming.
Oh, nice.
that?
Elon Musk, he's coming tomorrow to E3, you know?
Oh, is he?
I think so. So
He's gonna come up here and smoke a blunt
yeah.
on stage. All right.
All right. So what would you say to Elon Musk? What's the meeting about?
Well, first of all, he's a developer, right? I would make him to try and play with the code because
All right.
you know the technology first,
Yep.
right? And after that, I think we should talk about how can we integrate blockchain technology to his company, right? Why not?
Excellent.
I think I got an
Excellent
idea. Why don't you challenge him to simulate his boring company on chain with your solution here, with your program, yeah, with
Yeah, why
Chromia.
not? Yeah, why not?
And then the world could really know what it's all about because all we've seen is flamethrowers so far.
Yeah, it could be great.
Yeah.
All right, so we're here at E3. We'll at least ask if you have a favorite gaming platform, a favorite game of the year.
Well, gaming platform is gonna be Chromia. We are
Okay,
yes.
we are creating our own game just to show off the capabilities of the platform because we want to show and really demonstrate what we promised before on the white paper is gonna be possible, right?
Yes.
So we do think that massive multiplayer games are really good to show off that all these requirements that are needed and are promised.
I have a suggestion,
Uh-huh.
and Rock from LDA can probably make this happen. When is your public launch? Like when are you going to go live with everything? Do you think the testnet just launched?
We are planning to release the alpha mainnet at the end of the month.
End of the month. Ooh, that's a short timeline for what I'm proposing. I'm proposing get Chromio, the band. You know them? Chromio?
I don't know.
Electronic band. Get Chromio to perform at the big launch event. Chromio and Chromia and
All
Chromium,
together.
the element all coming together as one. All right.
Nice.
Yeah, okay, let's make it happen. Matt, any other questions at the moment?
Why don't we throw it out here to the audience if anybody wants to ask a question?
Beautiful people of the Republic. Does anyone have a question about Chromia?
The coin state. Gaston's got a question. What's up, Gaston?
Gaston.
All right, we don't need to put you on the spot. We appreciate
Right.
that, though.
And I would like to clarify that we
Yes.
are like our own platform. We are not building on top of Ethereum or any other platform.
Right.
We are our own platform. So yeah.
All right, let me ask
that's
a couple business questions here for the
Nice.
business minded. The project has been around for a while and got an amazing team, got great advisors here in the United States as a part of E3. So a lot of good stuff going on. Along with the launch, what is a major benchmark for the team's success this year in 2019?
Well, good question. I would say it will be more focused on creating this community of developers, a community of fans who really love the technology, right?
Okay.
Because without that, you could have the best platform ever, but without a community, you are nothing.
Okay.
So I think
That's
we
right.
should be focusing on creating this network of developers, of fans, and then making them to be creative and develop their own projects, right?
So are there incentives for people to come develop on your platform? Like the reason Bitcoin has miners is because there's big incentives to be a miner on the blockchain, right? So that's the whole point. So I think the gamified aspect is why we're all here. So what are the incentives? Why use Chromia?
Well, first of all, we have different kind of incentive. If we want to bootstrap the platform as we should, right? And now in the beginning with such a huge competition now, we are creating our own accelerator. So we'll select the best project and we'll help them with funding, marketing, etc. Right? So they will be able to deploy their own ideas. Second is like, and one cool thing of Chromia is like users don't need to pay for each transaction, right? It's the decentralized application, the one who pays to the providers, to the nodes.
So users do not pay.
And that's a cool thing.
Yeah.
Because that means that we could set up, we can create like a freemium business model, a freemium game, right?
Sure.
So we are like destroying one of the biggest barriers here in the industry. Just imagine that we create a game, right? And people don't need to register, don't need to create a wallet, don't need to do anything, just play the game. And after that, after they have 1,000 Chroma tokens, right? We show them, hey, you can use this Chroma token for, buying this stuff, or you can sell your weapon, whatever, right?
Mm-hmm. Sure.
So this is
That's great.
the users that are really interested on that, then they will create their own wallet, etc., etc. But at the beginning, they won't need to do this hassle that you need to do in all the platforms so far. That's a cool thing.
Yeah, absolutely.
Business model freedom now.
All right, let's throw one more final question out here, which is let's say that people in this audience today, they came out for E3 and they came out for gaming and they've learned something about blockchain today and they've learned something about Chromia. Where would people go to learn more, and are there opportunities for investors in this technology? What kind of are there opportunities for investors, and are there opportunities for some of the crypto community or for some of the gaming community to get involved?
Yeah, you just need to go to chromia.com, right, and you will find there all the information needed for you, if independently that if you are an investor, a user, a player, or whatever, you will find everything there.
Amazing. Right. And are you on Twitter? Any social handles they should follow?
We are on Twitter, Telegram, WeChat, and I think all the Instagram, Facebook, all the platforms. So you can reach us.
Amazing.
Easily. I would like to ask, what kind of games should Chromia build?
Well, we were talking about this yesterday.
Yeah, digital ownership.
The first kind of test of any good blockchain protocol is a dice game, right? Satoshi dice. So maybe just for testing purposes, build a simple dice game, a little gambling game where you can win or lose.
We have we have created a checkers, This, with all the logics on chain. So that's I think that's a good thing that Chromia brings also, that you will have all the logic of the game on chain. So you can go back and track everything, which is not possible in most of the platforms so far.
That's right.
Absolutely.
Okay. So I would say from a genre, if we're talking about games, I'm definitely a fantasy, maybe role-playing, going way back in the day. Mm-hmm. So maybe a little less first-person shooter for myself.
First-person shooter.
Yeah, more fantasy and role-play.
You like to trade with the weapons and all this stuff, right?
Oh yeah, the collectibles, moving contraband, having a ship with a bunch of gold on it. Those are the things that that interest me. Yeah.
Right.
All right.
Yep. Collecting those assets, transferring them however you choose to, right? We talked a lot about non-fungible assets yesterday or Monday at the DGA Summit event. So
I would like to ask you, why you think that this gambling game should be the first game? I mean, what's different on it?
I just think it's a simple test case.
What are you testing?
Some of the first, just the usability of the platform in an easy way before you go super complex and build some MMORP game on top of it. A simple peer-to-peer PvP game. I lose or you lose, or I win or you, or if I win you lose, vice versa. It's a simple test case to see if the system works. Yeah, very easy.
Actually,
And they get really big, really quick too.
And for the testnet, we have created like a forum. So it's a peer-to-peer forum. So having a decentralized forum, you will be able also to, I don't know, to do a Twitter or Reddit or any other social platform. So it's
Yeah, absolutely. I will make a quick suggestion since we have the rabbit hole in the house, Zaji and Ann back there.
There they are. There they are. Yes.
Make it. Chromia should have some sort of a developer track for female developers because I feel like there's a lot out there that need to be pulled out of the woodwork. So talk to the rabbit hole if you're looking for that.
You are more than welcome in Chromia.
There you go.
I think that about wraps it up for me, unless there's any last-minute questions from the panelists here.
Any other questions?
Final comments.
Final comments from Chromia.
Nothing. I mean, we are here. We are growing. We will support the community. So if you really want to know more about Chromia.com, just go to Chromia.com.
That's right.
You can reach us out on any other social media channel, and we'll be more than happy to help you and support you. That's it.
Perfect. Well,
we
thank
are
you so
here
much.
for the community.
All right.
Amazing. Looking forward to it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.